Michelle and Minister Granter. Everyone, good morning. Nice to be here to hear this funding announcement. Minister, anytime you want to bring more money back, you're more than welcome to do so, in whatever case it may be. I think I speak on behalf of all our residents in saying how pleased and appreciative we are that the healthcare facilities in Corner Brook area will receive this funding of $2.4 million, carry out these infrastructure upgrades, and purchase some new modern equipment for healthcare facilities in Corner Brook. It may not be a new hospital, but I can tell you, being in this hospital for the last week visiting, that these upgrades and services are desperately needed, and anything we can do to improve the ongoing care while we're waiting for the new hospital is equally important. So I congratulate you on that. Additionally, the Corner Brook Long-Term Care Facility will be able to upgrade some of their equipment, as we've heard, and that will only serve to enhance services and the quality of life of the residents in that facility. So it will be certainly a welcome addition. I'm sure we all agree that this funding is necessary, vital, and timely. Healthcare services in the western region of the province will certainly be strengthened and enhanced as a result of this investment. As Virgil, one of the greatest Roman poets, suggests, the greatest wealth is health, and this investment will positively impact the lives of many when in need or in crisis. Minister Granter, I would like to thank you and your government for your commitment and investment to the healthcare system in Corner Brook and an area. Our healthcare system will certainly benefit from this equipment and infrastructure upgrades. It's a great announcement, and we thank everyone involved. Ladies and gentlemen, our council is committed to the health, wellness, and balance of our citizens. A reliable healthcare system is vital to our community and is important to all our residents. We will continue to communicate and work with government and healthcare officials to obtain the best possible services to meet the current and long-term needs of our residents. So I want to thank you for the opportunity today to address you and to thank you for the investment. And I should have acknowledged our Councillor Cormier, who's here from City Council as well. And thank you as well to all of the healthcare professionals, management, and everybody who makes an effort, volunteers included, to enhance the healthcare services in our region. Thank you very much.